So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted contacts in your Google Contacts. So before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, go to the contacts in your Android smartphone, open the Google Contacts, and here go to the organize. Here you can see many options. Click on the option trash. Here you can see I have deleted this one. Click on that you want to recover and simply click on the recover, and the contacts is recovered in your phone. It will take some time to get recovered. Don't worry, it will get recovered. So let me show you, it is recovered, and here you can see the contact is recovered. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.